Are you tired of headphones that just can't keep up with your lifestyle? Wires that tangle, earbuds that fall out, and noise that never stops? It's time to break free from the frustration and elevate your listening experience. Introducing the Beats Studio Buds, your perfect companion for powerful, balanced sound and seamless wireless freedom. With active noise cancelling, sweat resistance, and a secure, comfortable Studio Buds are designed to keep up with you wherever life takes you. Let's dive in and explore everything the Beats Studio Buds have to offer. Ready to experience your music like never before?